Dear friends, we are going to discuss about what is called simple if. It is if without else. The if statement without else is called simple if. So if you go by the syntax of the language, whether it is C or C++, it is almost the same. So it says if some condition statement. So this is the simple syntax and the flowchart for representing it. The flowchart gives an idea about how the if statement is executed. So first the condition is checked and statement is executed if it is true, and if the condition is false, if the condition is false, this statement is not executed and it will go to the next statement. So it will go to the next statement. So the question is, when do we use a simple if statement? Supposing if the value of a variable changes based on a condition. For example, if I take the example of when to use if, when to use simple if. So if the value of a variable changes based on a condition, then you can use a simple if. For example, absolute value example, if you take absolute value, you know that absolute value of 2 is 2. Absolute value of minus 2 is also 2. So if it is positive, there is no change. So there is a change here. The value of this is a change. So change. So when it is changing? So it is changing when this value is less than 0. It means you say that if number is less than 0, then it is changing. By how? This is multiplied with minus 1. So I say that the number is minus 1 times the number. So here this is the most suitable example of when this simple if is to be applied. See, if the value is 2 and then it is 2, no change in the value. If the value of the variable is minus 2, then there is a change in the value of it. So otherwise the number will be as it is. So that is one of the simple example where you can use a simple if. The another example. So if I take up, usually in the discount sales, discount sales, you say if cost of an item is above 500 rupees or dollars, whatever it is, then you say discount 10% of marked price. Otherwise no discount. Otherwise no discount. Otherwise no discount. So if the cost of an item means, first you can say, if you take it as a variable, discount as one variable, say it is 0, and you say if cost is greater than 500, then you can say discount is 10%. 10% means 0.1 into the cost. So if the cost of the item is above 500, only then the discount, otherwise the discount is 0. Means the value of the discount changes only if the price of it is different, otherwise there is no change in the value of the discount. And when you say speak about the net price is cost minus discount. So here the value of discount changes based on the value of the cost of an item. So whenever the value of one item changes depending upon some criteria like this, then you use the simple if. Thank you.